Hello everyone, I'm coming to you today, which is not the usual day I'm posting, but I filmed this video one time and after hours of not understanding why my video didn't want to be edited, I realized that half of the video was cut. I don't know why, it just disappeared like that. So I'm filming this video again. So today I'm gonna show you the makeup I do the most often. It's just like a very quick and natural makeup for summer or for every day, for work, that will just enhance your natural beauty. I've been able to keep a little footage I did yesterday of me showing you the products, so I'll be wearing something else. But here are the products I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using my IT Cosmetics CC Cream, my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, my Makeup Forever Micro Finish Loose Powder, the Sleek Face Form Contouring and Blush Palette, the Maybelline Brow Drama Brow Mascara, the Ciati London Double Lines Eyeliner, the Rimmel London Kohl Kajal in Nude, the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara in Intense Black, and the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Also, I forgot to mention it yesterday, but I'm also gonna be needed a lash curler and a setting mist. For the brush, I'm gonna be using a makeup sponge for both my foundation and my powder, 3 face brushes for bronzer, highlighter and blush, and 2 eye brushes, 1 round fluffy brush and 1 flat still fluffy brush. Also, just to show you that it's a makeup you can do every day in I'd say 10 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna be putting my timer and we'll see how long it takes. So let's bring you closer. So I'm gonna start my timer, and with my CC cream and a wet beauty blender, I'm gonna start to put CC cream all over my face. I'm not putting too much because here what I'm trying to do is to unify my face, not to hide everything that's on it. I could also be using a brush, which I did when I filmed the video the first time, but now it's drying, so... And I'm also go on my eyelids. Once this is done, I'm gonna cover a bit my under eyes with concealer. I could also go on my imperfections, but I don't really care about them, so I'm gonna leave them there. And I'm gonna take them with my finger and go on it with my finger. Here what I want to achieve is a very natural coverage. I don't want to make it look like I put a lot of makeup, I just want to slightly correct what I have. And I'm gonna also use my finger to put a bit of it on my eyelids. And very important, when I put concealer, I tap, I don't slide. So we're about there. With the same beauty blender and my face powder, I'm gonna just powder my face wherever I feel like it needs to be powdered. So for me it's gonna be under my eyes, my forehead and around my nose. I also slightly powder my lid. And with whatever I have left on my sponge, I'm gonna do all the rest of my face. You can see we still see a few imperfections, but here I'm not trying to get something totally covered and perfect. I just want something a little natural that's just gonna enhance what I already have. Now I'm gonna put a drop of bronzer, because it's summer and I like it, but you can skip any steps you like, of course. I'm also gonna do slightly on my nose, just on top here, to make a little tan effect. A little bit of blush. And also I'm gonna add a little bit here again. And finally a touch of highlighter. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and for that I'm just gonna use a tinted mascara, because it's the fastest way. And also I want to keep it natural. With my black eye pencil, I'm gonna color my upper waterline. That's gonna give the impression of fuller lashes, and it takes 2 seconds. With my finger, I'm gonna flatten what's already on my lids because the concealer might crease. With my round fluffy brush, I'm gonna take my bronzer and I'm gonna put it in my crease, just to give a bit more definition to my eye. And a little bit on my lower line, and obviously the other side is gonna be just the same. With my flat fluffy brush I'm gonna take my highlighter and put it in my inner corner as well as on my lid. And with whatever's left on my brush I'm gonna put it on my brow bone. Now I'm gonna curl my upper lashes. I'm gonna take my beige pencil to put it on my lower waterline. This again takes a few seconds, but it's gonna open your eyes a lot. Then I'm gonna take a drop of mascara. I don't forget my lower lashes. If I want to, I can put a second layer. And I'll be adding my favorite lipstick. I love those lipsticks from NYX because they're super easy to put, they're super comfortable, and the finish is so pretty. Finally, I'm gonna set my makeup with my setting NYX. And we're all done. So it took me 13 minutes, but I took my time to explain what I was doing, why I was doing it, so I think you can do it in about 10 minutes, honestly. So this is the makeup I'm wearing most of the time because it's super natural, super easy, and there's not so many products you need, so to take in holidays it's quite fast and easy. I personally love this makeup, or this kind of makeup, because it looks like I'm much more fresh without doing too much. But let me know if you're also putting makeup for everyday work or in holidays, and if so, what are the steps you're doing in your makeup? Anyway, that's all for me for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a very great day. Bye bye!